One out here. Right there. Get it right there.
What character did you pick?
It was just a
Any
little.
old gnome or something?
It just looked like a little Tyrannosaurus Rex looking thing.
A little dinosaur?
Yeah.
Wait till they start making stuff out of metal like these things.
They already are.
Yeah.
The military is using them to make gun replacement components in the field. And
I mean, but wait till we can start doing it.
oh yeah. That'd be
Where you
good.
can put on that spool anything you want.
Well, these plastic ones, there's a place down in Atlanta that you can go in and pay.
You talking about the Makerspace place?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you just pay some money, you give them a file, and they'll create it for you. Come back
Yeah.
later and pick it up, like Kinko's or something.